Welcome to this video on developing a resume. After watching this video, you will be able to explain the basics of job searching and discuss tips and tricks for creating a good resume. Many job search experts say your resume gets you noticed, your cover letter gets you interviews, and your performance in the interview gets you the offer. They also promote professional networking using your resume as your calling card. A good resume plays a crucial role in your job search because it's often your first impression with employers. A good resume gives you visibility, demonstrates your skills and experience, increases your chances of getting an interview, differentiates you in the job market, and creates a unique brand for yourself. Today's job market is more competitive than ever, and nowhere is this most evident than in the technology sector. An effective job search is much more than submitting an application. It requires patience, strategy, networking, and persistence. You can be successful in your job search by using the following workflow: research opportunities, build a professional network, create and maintain a baseline resume, apply for jobs, attend interviews, follow up after your interviews. Researching opportunities is an important step in the job search process because it lets you make informed decisions about your career. Good research improves the quality of your applications, prepares you for interviews, helps you negotiate offers, and gives you confidence in your job hunt. You can identify opportunities by using online resources such as Indeed, Glassdoor, and LinkedIn. You can also find opportunities by visiting the company career pages. Once you've identified the resources you want to use for your job search, you should set up job alerts to screen for jobs you are interested in. Your focus during this process should be to identify companies compatible with your culture, values, and growth opportunities. Building a professional network is essential because many companies prefer to hire through referrals, which increases your chances of getting a job. Networking also keeps you informed about market trends and emerging technologies. You can build a professional network by reaching out to any contacts you have in the industry and/or companies you are targeting, attending conferences, industry events, and webinars, and creating a 90-second elevator speech that introduces you to new people regarding what you have done, what you're looking for, etc. You should develop your network throughout your career, even when you're not looking for work. The secret to networking is that you will help others far more than they will help you. A baseline resume is a master document that contains all your work experience, skills, education, and achievements in a standardized format. It acts as a foundation document for creating tailored resumes for different job applications. The baseline resume helps you apply to different positions by adding or emphasizing details most relevant to the position rather than creating a new resume every time. You can create a baseline resume by creating a master document and listing all relevant experiences, such as jobs, projects, skills, certifications, and accomplishments in the document. The document should highlight key skills that are transferable across different roles. Applying for jobs is important if you want to move ahead in your career. When applying for jobs, you should submit to roles that match your skills, experience, and job goals, such as culture, vision, and any other aspects that are important to you around what you want to do and where you want to do it. Attach cover letters when sending your resume directly to a person, and follow up with personalized emails to show your continued interest. Attending a job interview is an important step in the hiring process. It allows you and the employer to determine whether you're a good fit for the job. You should prepare for your interviews by leveraging your research, including but not limited to practicing your answers to common product owner questions. You should develop short but complete stories or answers around your resume's content and additional agile experience. Before exiting the interview, make sure to ask for the interviewer's contact information so you can follow up with them. Following up after a job interview is important because it communicates your gratitude for the opportunity and shows that you value the interviewer's time. If you forgot to mention something important during the interview, a follow-up is a good opportunity to provide the information. You can follow up with your interviewer by sending them a thank you note and include why you think you're a good fit for the opportunity. A good cadence is to connect with your point of contact every week until you receive a rejection letter or an offer. Let's look at some tips and tricks for building a professional resume now. Your resume is a vital tool in your job search. It provides you an opportunity to showcase your skills, qualifications, and experience to a potential employer. A good resume captures the attention of anyone who reads it, focuses on relevant skills, and is ATS compliant. As a job seeker, you should highlight the skills required in the job description. Making these areas of skills and experience front and center will help the hiring team see that you are qualified for the job. Most experts say you should have several versions of your resume, one that will pass through the filters of the applicant tracking systems for jobs you apply online, and another formatted and visually stunning to send when you have found a real live person you can send your resume to directly. Your resume should clearly tell the story of your career. This will act as a basis for your interviews. You should include items that show your qualifications and background through accomplishments. The resume should be straightforward, truthful, and without embellishment. You should present yourself in the best light possible on your resume. However, you should not have anything in the resume which you haven't done. Many experts believe you should not have a resume greater than 2 pages. This all depends on your years of experience. Many believe you should not include any experience older than 15 years. In this video, we showed a practical workflow for initiating a job search for a product owner or other tech role. We also shared some tips and tricks for creating and maintaining a professional resume. A good resume plays a crucial role in your job search because it's often your first impression with employers. A good resume gives you visibility, demonstrates your skills and experience, increases your chances of getting an interview, differentiates you in the job market, and creates a unique brand for yourself. You can be successful in your job search by researching opportunities, building a professional network, creating and maintaining a baseline resume, applying for jobs, attending interviews, and following up after your interviews. Your resume should clearly tell the story of your career. It should include items that show your qualifications and background through accomplishments.